Hey y'all, it's your girl Samir Julissa. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing a get ready with me. I'm just gonna show you how I got my hair in this middle part, sleek, straight, period, and how I just got my everyday makeup, just a simple natural beat. If y'all want to know how I achieve this look, stay tuned and keep watching. Okay, first we're gonna start off with hair. Literally, this wig looks like a fresh blowout. Okay, period. I straightened it and it just looks like a blowout, and that's like my favorite. I still kind of gotta go over it, you know, after I finish my hair, but baby, it's not coming to play with none of y'all. I'm not here to play with none of y'all. And that's just facts. So basically what I'm about to do is just like my lazy wig routine. I want to film some videos today, so I don't really want to fully put my wig on. So this is just basically what I do when I'm being lazy. And yeah, then we're going to get into the makeup, but we're about to tackle this hair first. So basically I use these, baby, these are my life. I've never used anything other than this, but I'm still a beginner. Basically, I don't really 100% know what I'm doing. So yeah, so I just use the Got To Be glued in the yellow and the spray. Sides not glued, but I'm wearing it in the middle part, so obviously I don't need the sides to be glued if I'm not going anywhere. You feel me? Are we on the same page? I hope. So that's basically what I'm about to do. To be honest, y'all, I think I'm just gonna spray the Got To Be glue on my part. Like, I did my lazy girl method with this wig. I didn't do any cornrows. I put my hair in a twist. I put it back in a low ponytail with my twist in it. And then I put my wig cap on and I put my wig on, period. Okay, yeah, so I literally just used the Got To Be spray on my parts as if this was a closure. Like, honestly, sometimes you really just gotta do what you gotta do. Like, I'm gonna take this Fit Me powder and go over my part with this. Sometimes you can use concealer, sometimes you can just use powder, just whatever works for you, basically. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So now we're gonna get started on makeup. I don't know if I really want to do like a beat, you know, like a full beat, but sometimes, you know, you just gotta do it. So I think I'm gonna do that. I just like using this LA Girl Pro Concealer as foundation, just to cover up my dark spots. That's like literally been like the #1 thing for me with makeup coverage. I literally just want to cover my dark spots. This may or may not match me. As you can tell, my chest is super light. My face is more tan than my chest, so it's hard to color match, but I just tend to use Fine because it kind of works around like year round for me. gonna use the same powder that fit me. Okay, so now we're getting into eyebrows. This is honestly like one of my favorite parts of doing my makeup, like my eyebrows. Like, I cannot stress that enough. I can't. Take creamy beige to cut my eyebrows underneath and do my face highlight, and fine to cut the top. Okay, so now I have my highlight on. I'm just gonna take a little brush and finish my eyebrows off. Turn it up low. I need to do this short intermission to let y'all know I'm starving right now. Literally, why did I just get so hungry? Like, I don't understand. I was not hungry before and I randomly just started getting hungry. Okay. Okay, I'm about to use this. Then I'm gonna take this MAC. I think this color is in Format. But I'm just gonna set my face. Period. This is my favorite. I literally got this for my birthday. I think I got this for my 18th birthday. Don't think I've ever used anything since. I'm 21. Honestly, I'm pretty sure. Like, I just can't. Also, I just bought this shirt and I'm gonna feature it in my haul. Stay tuned, period. But so if you can see my tag in the back, that's why. I need to take it off, but don't y'all hate when y'all put on shirts before y'all take the tag off? Because then I don't really feel like doing it either. But we're gonna get started on this hair. Okay, I'm about to turn this on $3.92. And basically what you're gonna need for this is some mousse. The mousse that I have is the Lotta Body Coconut and Shea Oils Wrap Me Foaming Mousse, and just some free spray. This is how we're gonna get our hair laid. Turn it up low. So you can already see the difference from this side versus this side. Period. Yeah. I just love straight hair. I just can't. I can't. Straight long hair is my favorite thing on me all the time. Period. Like, I can't. Nothing compares. And then I already put mousse on it last night. So basically, this is what I do when I don't want to use a hot comb, because honestly, I hate using hot combs, to be honest. It gives you really good results, but I just personally don't like using it. So what I do is you just take some mousse, because looking at it, I'm pretty sure I got it flat enough, but I'll just use a little bit just to show y'all. I use some here, and I use a lot more than this, but like I said, I already put some on last night. And you just go in, flatten it out, and you take your tiny tooth rat tail comb and you flatten it out with that. So now I'm just gonna finish my lips and then get ready with me. It's gonna be complete. I'm just gonna do the brow liner and gloss. So yeah. This is my final get ready with me look. I just want to thank y'all so much for watching this get ready with me. This is my final look. My straight hair, sleek, middle part, period, and my natural simple beat. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you want more, please stay tuned. The video's coming soon. Please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with all your friends. Please comment down below any other videos y'all want me to film. I'm open to it all. I got y'all no matter what y'all want, period. So yeah, I really hope y'all enjoyed this video and stay tuned for more videos.